Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPCGCA अजमेर। आज हम एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन एंड पब्लिक हेल्थ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Unlimited exploitation of nature by man disturb the ecological balance between living and non-living. Number of species become rare, threatened, endangered, and near extinction in the Red Data Book of IUCN. Warning at public places, air unfit for breathing. हमने बहुत सारी पब्लिक प्लेसेस पर ये वार्निंग लिखी हुई देखी है, स्पेशली मेट्रो सिटीज में। एयर इज अनफिट फॉर ब्रीदिंग एंड वाटर इज अनफिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. Pollution is unwanted change in physical, chemical and biological characteristics of air, water and soil, and they create potential health hazard. Substances which cause pollution are known as pollutants. Environmental pollutants are deposited matter, soot, smoke, tar, dust, grit, etc. Gases are oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, chloride, bromide, acid droplets, sulfuric acid, HNO3, fluorides. Metals like mercury, lead, iron, zinc, nickel, tin, cadmium, chromium, etc. These are all pollutants. Agrochemicals, chemicals used in agriculture, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, nematicides, bactericides, weedicides, fertilizers. Complex organic substances like benzene, ether, acetic acid, benzpyrenes, etc. Photochemical oxidants like PAN, PBN, photochemical smog, ozone, oxides of nitrogen, aldehydes, ethylene. These are all environmental pollutants. Solid waste, radioactive waste, noise pollution, air pollution. Atmosphere is blanket around the earth and oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, these all cause air pollution. Air pollution, atmosphere protects us from ultraviolet rays and meteors. Oxides of sulfur, Calcutta is the most polluted city. Then Delhi, Ahmedabad, Kanpur, Hyderabad, Madras, Nagpur and Jaipur. Yearly average 80 microgram per meter cube. Oxides of nitrogen 4 microgram per meter cube. Jaipur 40 microgram per meter cube. Ahmedabad and Kanpur, SPM is highest in Delhi. Suspended particulate matter is highest in Delhi and Calcutta. Lowest in Madras and Bombay because these are coastal cities. Connaught Place to Tilak Nagar, highest SPM suspension is there. Delhi is exposed to highest air pollution. Sources and pollutants, industrial chimney, waste, thermal power station, NTPS, Singrauli in UP, Korba in Madhya Pradesh, Ramagundam in Andhra Pradesh, Farakka in West Bengal, fly ash, pollutants, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons, aldehyde, suspended particulate matter. Indraprasth and Rajghat and Badarpur in Delhi, 3 thermal power stations are there and 10,000 ton of coal. When all 5 units in function, they cause lot of pollution. Automobiles, 296 million vehicles in country are there and 1.42 billion cars are there in the world. Less than 65% two-wheelers in the world and 50% air pollution due to automobile exhaust. Peak traffic hours, there is more than 800 kilogram of carbon monoxide, 300 kilogram hydrocarbons, 80 kilogram oxides of nitrogen, and two-wheelers 60% carbon monoxide. Two-wheelers cause 60% carbon monoxide, 83% hydrocarbons and 80% oxides of nitrogen. A car burning 1000 liter fuel emits 350 kilogram carbon monoxide, 0.6 kilogram oxides of sulfur, 0.1 kilogram lead, 1.5 kilograms suspended particulate matter, 1000 gallons of petrol, 3200 carbon monoxide, and 200 to 400 organic vapors, 75 oxides of nitrogen, 20 aldehyde, 18 sulfur compounds, and 2 organic acids, ammonia, and solid carbon are 0.3. The source of emission in automobiles are exhaust system, fuel tank, carburetor, crankcase. Exhaust producers produce unburnt hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, lead oxide, traces of aldehyde, esters, ethers, peroxides, ketones. They form smog in presence of light. Sources of air pollution are compounds of carbon, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide by complete combustion of fossil fuel, sulfur compound, SO2, H2S and H2SO4, NO, NO2, HNO3 released by automobiles, power plants and industries. Ozone level is rising due to human activities. Fluorides from industries, insecticides and spray. Fluorides come from industries, insecticides, chemical insecticides and spray. Hydrocarbons, benzene, benzpyrene, discharged by automobiles and industries. Hydrocarbons जो है वो automobiles और industries से discharge होते हैं. Metals, lead, nickel, arsenic, tin, vanadium, titanium, cadmium, etc. Produced by metallurgical processes, automobiles and sea sprays. Photochemical products PAN, PBN are released by automobiles. Particulate matter SPM released from power plants and industries, stone crushers, bacterial cells, fungal spores and pollens, toxicants and heavy metals. They are complex chemical substances. Carbon compounds, carbon dioxide, burning of fossil fuel, domestic cooking, furnaces, power plants, industries, hot mix. 19 into 10 to the power 12 ton of carbon dioxide is released from atmosphere. Thermal power plant release 50 mt CO2. Persistent period of CO2 in atmosphere is 100,000 years. Increase in CO2, disastrous effect of greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, carbon dioxide in troposphere as pollutant. Carbon dioxide prevents heat radiated and re-radiated out. Greenhouse effect, 1911 CO2 was 275 ppm and today it is 350 ppm. And in 2040 it will be 450 ppm. Doubling carbon dioxide increased temperature, GMT 15 degrees centigrade, 2 degrees centigrade increase by 2050, increase 4.5 degrees centigrade, which is very harmful for our planet Earth. CO automobiles, carbon monoxide come from automobiles, stoves, furnaces, open fire, forest, bush fire, burning coal mine, factory power plant gave carbon monoxide. Delhi peak traffic hours 700 kg of carbon monoxide is emitted. Carboxyhemoglobin decreases. Oxygen carrying capacity. CO is fatal over 1000 ppm. Maximum allowable concentration. Hematocrit high in cigarette smokers cause lung cancer. Sulfur compounds COS, CS2, DMS dimethyl sulfide, methyl sulfide. SO2 oxides of sulfur, burning of fossil fuel, coal and petroleum. Automobiles also release oxides of sulfur. Automobiles जो है वो भी oxides of sulfur release करती हैं. 25% emission है. This causes irritation in eyes, upper respiratory tract. SO2 जो है वो eyes में irritation cause करता है और upper respiratory tract में भी irritation cause करता है. Swelling and stimulated mucus secretion, इसके कारण swelling हो जाती है और mucus secretion stimulate होता है. 1 ppm SO2 constriction air passage, 1 ppm SO2 से air passage constrict होता है. H2SO4 is also strong irritant. H2S causes headache, nausea, collapse, coma and death. Oxides of nitrogen NO, N2, N2O lightening. When in presence of lightening, NO2 plus H2O forms HNO3 and it also comes from vehicular exhaust. NO2 combustion of O2 N2 during lightning discharge and bacterial oxidation of ammonia in soil. NO2 plus O2 plus O3 gives poisonous NO2. N2O plus water vapor gives HNO3 plus ammonia and it gives ammonium nitrate NH4NO3. Fossil fuel combustion gives oxides of nitrogen 95% as NO, 5% as NO2, 46% as NO from vehicle exhaust, 25% electric generation. Hydrocarbons C6H6CH4 benzpyrene emitted by evaporation of gasoline, carburetors, crankcase, 65% to 80% total hydrocarbons, 40% vehicular exhaust, hydrocarbons, unburnt fuel, rest product of combustion, carcinogenic to lung. These are carcinogenic to lung, lungs का कैंसर कॉज करते हैं ये. हाइड्रोकार्बन प्लस oxides of nitrogen in presence of light gives PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate, and ozone. These causes irritation to eyes, throat, nose and upper respiratory system and distress. Benzene emitted from gasoline लंग कैंसर. बेंजीन जो कि गैसोलीन से एमिट होती है वो लंग कैंसर कॉज करती है. बेंजपायरीन कैंसर प्रोड्यूसिंग हाइड्रोकार्बन present in smoke, tobacco, charcoal, boiled steak, gasoline. Ammonium marsh gas gaseous pollution cause करती है. 0.0002% by volume produced during decay of garbage, aquatic vegetation released by burning of natural gas from factories. It is very harmful in low amounts also. Acid rain. Sulfuric acid HNO3. When they come with rain, it is known as acid rain. Acid rain increase due to industrialization. Acid rain जो है वो industrialization और vehicles के exhaust के कारण increase हो रहा है day by day. Ozone, atmospheric ozone protects us from harmful UV. Atmosphere की जो ozone है वो harmful UV से हमें protect करती है. Oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, aldehyde forms ozone on UV exposure. ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ सल्फर, नाइट्रोजन एंड एल्डिहाइड जो हैं वो यूवी एक्सपोजर के साथ ओजोन फॉर्म करते हैं. दिस इज पोटेंशियल डेंजर टू ह्यूमन हेल्थ. ये जो है वो पोटेंशियल डेंजर है ह्यूमन हेल्थ के लिए एंड क्रॉप ग्रोथ. और क्रॉप ग्रोथ के लिए भी ये डेंजर है. ओजोन द डिस्ट्रॉयर एज वेल एज प्रोटेक्टर. ओजोन डिस्ट्रॉयर भी है और प्रोटेक्टर भी है. व्हेन इट इज प्रेजेंट इन हायर लेयर्स देन इट इज प्रोटेक्टर and when it is present in lower layers then it is destroyer. Pollutants hang over sky causing unpleasant effects. Pollutants smog वगैरह sky के अंदर hang हो जाते हैं और unpleasant effect देते हैं. Waste spread horizontally fast. Waste जो है horizontally ज़्यादा fast spread होते हैं. Waste spread longitudinal 1 week. Longitudinally 1 week में spread होते हैं and latitudinally 1 month में spread होते हैं. CFCs remain in stratosphere for years until converted to other products. Stratosphere sink, but CFC plus ozone depleted. NO2 plus HC gives PAN and H2O2. NO2 plus ultraviolet rays gives ozone. These form photochemical smog, PCS. High level of ozone in upper atmosphere protects us while harmful when direct contact with us and plants. जो high level है वो harmful है वो जब direct contact में आती है हमारे और plants के. CFC, in spite of being in small proportion 0.02 to 0.07 ppm, it plays major role in climatology and biology of Earth. It filters all radiations below 300 angstrom. Depletion of ozone has catastrophic effects on life system of Earth. Ozone concentration on Earth atmosphere is thinning out. Depletion of ozone causes skin cancer, melanoma, cataract, destruction of aquatic life, destruction of vegetation, destruction of immunity. 6,000 people die every year in USA due to cancer. Plants exposed to UV radiation show 50% retardation in growth. Ozone layers increase in harmful radiation and decrease in fish production. Global efforts क्या है? There is one hole in South Pole. South Pole की तरफ जैसे जैसे हम जाते हैं वहां पर एक hole है. Ozone depletion due to ozone depletion. Hole is as big as US. Hole इतना बड़ा है जितना कि United States है. Montreal Protocol 50% cut in CFC. Montreal Protocol के according there should be 50% cut in CFC. Chlorofluorocarbons में 50% cut होना चाहिए. Save to save the ozone layer, जिसके कारण हम protective ozone layer को save कर सकें. Fluorides, minute fluoride help prevention tooth decay. फ्लोराइड जब माइन्यूट अमाउंट में होते हैं तो टूथ डिके को प्रिवेंट करते हैं. इन मैन, फ्लोराइड इन एटमॉस्फेयर कम फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रीज, फॉस्फेट, सिरेमिक्स, एल्यूमिनियम, फ्लोरिनेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. इंडस्ट्रीज में फ्लोराइड कहाँ से आता है? फॉस्फेट, सिरेमिक्स, एल्यूमिनियम, फ्लोरिनेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन से. एंड रेफ्रिजरेटर, एरोसोल, प्रोपेलेंट्स also produce this. Now comes hydrocarbons. Benzene, benzpyrene, methane are chief hydrocarbon air pollutants. Source is motor vehicles. Benzene emitted from gasoline cause lung cancer. Benzpyrene, cancer producing hydrocarbons present in smoke, tobacco, charcoal, boiled steak, gasoline. Methane, marsh gas, gaseous pollution. Methane जो है marsh gas भी कहते हैं इसे हम. ये gaseous pollution cause करती है. 0.0002% by volume, produced during decay of garbage, aquatic vegetation, released by burning of natural gas from factories. इतना कम परसेंट 0.002% ये प्रोड्यूस होता है ड्यूरिंग डीके ऑफ गार्बेज के डीके का कारण और एक्वेटिक वेजिटेशन के डीके के कारण, एंड रिलीज बाय बर्निंग ऑफ नेचुरल गैस, और नेचुरल गैस की बर्निंग के कारण भी ये रिलीज होता है फैक्ट्रीज से. Metals causing pollution are mercury. Inhalation of only 1 milligram causes death. MAC values not known. Lead added to gasoline to reduce knocking. Air as volatile lead, halides, bromide, chloride. 40% on ground, 60% in air. Zinc, air, white zinc oxide. Zinc in smelters, scrap. Zinc in refineries, open health furnace. 25 gram of zinc per hour, white zinc oxide fumes and toxic to man. जो white zinc oxide fumes है वो toxic है man के लिए. Cadmium, industries engaged in extraction, refining, electroplating, welding of cadmium containing material. Copper, zinc, lead refining are major source of cadmium. Copper, zinc और lead की जो refineries हैं वो cadmium का major source है. Photochemical products are oxides of nitrogen plus hydrocarbon plus ozone. Photochemical reaction, toxic secretory pollutants, olefins, aldehyde, ozone, PAN, PB2N, PBS, photochemical smog. These are all pollutants. Olefins produced from exhaust from ethylene by the sepal of orchid flower. These olefins जो हैं वो सेपल ऑर्किड फ्लावर का डिस्ट्रॉय करती हैं. रिटार्ड ओपनिंग ऑफ कार्नेशन फ्लावर, ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ पेटल, रिटार्ड ग्रोथ ऑफ टोमेटो. एल्डिहाइड, ओलिफिन, एक्रोलिन इरिटेट स्किन, आईज एंड अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट. एल्डिहाइड, ओलिफिन और एक्रोलिन जो है वो स्किन, आईज और अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट को इरिटेट करती हैं. टॉक्सिकेंट्स, आर्सेनिक बाय प्रोडक्ट, मेटल रिफाइनिंग प्रोसेस, एस्बेस्टोस, नॉन डिग्रेडेबल. Carbon tetrachloride, chloroform are used to make CFC and chloroform. Chromium, chloroform degrade into phosgene. HCl plus chlorine monoxide, carcinogenic effects in man. Chromium is used in stainless tool plus alloy steel, alloy cast iron, pigments plus metal plating, leather tanning. Chromium is carcinogenic. 1,4-dioxane used as stabilizer in solvent, varnish, paint, cleaner, detergent, deodorant. 1,2-dichloroethane forms during vinyl chloride production. Lead scavenger, gasoline, textile, cleaning metal, dressing, fumigant, paint remover, nylon, rayon, plastic dispersant. Electric goods, household appliances, machinery, carcinogenic. Nitrosamine used in rubber processing, organic chemical manufacture and rocket fuel. These are all carcinogenic and cancer causing. Nickel, chemical, petroleum and metal products, vinyl chloride, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, plastic resin induce brain and lung cancer. PAH arrive in atmosphere from coal production, vehicular discharge, wood burning, municipal incineration, petroleum refining and coal furnaces, intermediate cancer inducing agents. PAH is polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, prevention and control of air pollution, to check pollutant emission from vehicular exhaust, to control evaporation from fuel tank and carburetor, use of filter, and control should also be there through laws. Now comes industrial pollution, cyclone collector, electrostatic precipitator, ESP, and gaseous pollutants. Wet system, dry system and wet dry system. Three types of systems are there. Wet system, washing tower, alkali is used, fluid to circulate, liquid plus oxides of sulfur gives precipitation. In dry system, gas plus dolomite plus lime, CaO plus limestone, CaOH is used. In wet dry system, desulfurization of fuel gases is used and control should also be there with the help of laws, which is very important. Standards are to be enforced by government, appropriate acts for industries. This is all about pollution. Thank you.